Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and first look at this Evolution 18-volt EXT battery USB charger, which was very kindly sent over to us by Evolution for us to have a little look at and produce a little video, tell you all about it. But before we go too far into unboxing and just having a first look at this, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll tell you when our next video comes out. Now, we've done a review of a Makita one previously, so this will be an interesting comparison, having seen one. That was a LXT, so that was a 12-volt one. This one will be obviously 18-volt. Here's the unit itself. I've got to say, there's a number of key features on here which I think makes it better than some of the ones I have seen. First of all, it's got a light built in, which is a neat feature to have. A nice belt clip, and super important these days, it has USB Type A and USB Type C. So if you're the proud owner of a brand new iPhone, you'll be going USB-C to USB-C. So that's quite a nice feature to have on it. Let's go ahead and pop it onto a battery. Now look, all right, this is an 8 amp hour battery, which is a little bit overkill. It's the one I had to hand, but there we go. Right, clipped onto that. We've got a red light that's come on immediately. This is literally the first time I've used it, so that'll be interesting to see how that works. There's the light. That's actually pretty bright, actually. I'm quite happy with that. Just an on and off button there. And then we've got these USB ports on the back. So we've had a little walk round and had a look at this. Let's actually see it charging up some things in real life. I've got two items here, two phones, which seems pretty standard. I'm using the USB Type A for the little Google phone here. That's charging away. That says it's got 67% left in it. And we'll use actually just turn that up the other way. Oh no, that's fine. USB Type C there, that's lit up, and now that's charging as well. So you can charge two devices at the same time, one USB-C, one USB Type A. And you know, on an 8 amp hour battery like that, that should probably last a pretty decent time. And I guess if you've got batteries of this sort of size and capacity, this makes a pretty good power pack to be taking on a camping trip or something like that, and to be able to power those two devices, plus you have a torch as well. That to me is a bit of a winner. So a nice little item from Evolution. Again, a link's below where you can get those. Don't forget about the discount code, Brian in all caps. And yeah, another little winner device for their lovely EXT range. Now look, don't forget, this also works on the Erbauer range, because they're also EXT. So again, more options and more things you can do with that. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe!